In this episode, a globetrotting billionaire reveals how wilderness lessons sharpen his instinct for high-stakes decisions on luxury journeys. From remote mangrove probes to secret safaris, he shares tales of travel mysteries that shaped his portfolio and public image. The show dives into extreme vehicle modifications, tracing a hypercar's adaptive suspension to survive desert routes and cliffside drops. Interwoven are personal anecdotes that demystify celebrity lifestyles while offering practical tips on budgeting, time management, and mindful wealth. All the while nature lessons guide practical skills like resourceful problem solving, risk assessment, and resilient leadership for ambitious viewers.